Hi everyone, welcome to the part 2 of PowerPoint tutorials. So in the last part, we came to know about the basics of PowerPoint, and in this part, we are going to know about the that how to make a presentable slide. Okay, but actually before we start, I would like to highlight the special words of the day. I would like to throw light on the special words of the day. Okay, and those are the greatest sin is to think yourself weak, which is said by Swami Vivekanand ji, who actually gave so much knowledge to this world. Okay, and sometimes words also get less to praise him. Okay, so the great, yes, if you are actually not confident that you cannot, if you are saying this again and again that I cannot achieve my goal, I am really I can't do this work, so of course you are never ever going to do whatever you think. You actually become that only, right? So be confident, have this courage to do that work, and then only you will be able to achieve your goal. If you have courage and if you are doing it with sheer determination and hard work, then one day you will for sure achieve it. Okay, so these are the special words of the day. Then these were the 4 points which I said for why you should use PowerPoint and not other softwares. Of course, it is easy to understand, it has more features, more options, and it also gives more options for animations. Then this is the workspace for the PowerPoint. When you open PowerPoint, this is the layout you get. Then we came to know about home tab and its different groups, then insert tab, and then slideshow. This is slideshow, right? And a review tab, view tab. Okay, now, today we are going to know how to make a presentable slide. If your slide is actually simple, beautiful, effective, then it's for sure going to actually make an impact on the viewer. Okay, now let's know about it. So, tip number one that I'm going to tell to you is that the font should not be so stylish. Use such a kind of font that can be easily read. Okay. Now, if this point you see which I have written here would have been so stylish, would you have actually wanted to see my video? No, because you would have found the font so stylish that it would have put strain to your eyes. Okay, so be actually careful about it, that which font style you are going to use, and also about the font size too. It should neither be so small that it cannot be seen, and it should not be too big that you cannot actually fit other things in your slide, that it causes imbalance, right? And these are some of the fonts that are simple and presentable. This is Calibri. It looks like this only. Then this is Arial, which I am using in my slides. Then this is Abadi. This is also a good one. Comic Sans MS, that is really simple and beautiful, and it's clearly visible. Cobbel and many more. And there are Dante, Dubai, and many more. Then tip 2, the background color and font color should always be contrasting. Okay, always remember that if your background color and font color, if you are for example using black color as your if you're using black color as your background color, if your BG color, and the font color as your white, so this should be for your first choice for combination. Okay, and the common combination is white as background color and black as font color, which I'm using right now. Okay, so this actually looks really simple and presentable. Okay, then these are, you see here that these are two different things. Now here you can see that white is the background color, white is also the background color, but there's a difference of the font color. Here the font color is black color and here the font color is yellow color. And we of course know that this is looking more good because it can actually be seen easily, but here you have to come closer to your screen and then only you can see it. Okay, so of course this is right and this is incorrect. Then let us move to tip number 3. If you have images in your slide, remember to put them in such a way that the font does not get hidden. Okay, this is an example for the same. Now, I am putting it in such a way, I am putting the image in my slide in such a way that it's not actually hiding my font, neither I actually need to decrease the size of my font. Okay, but in the same way, I have the same font written here and I also have the image. But if you have a look that I have made the image so big that it is actually coming in front of the font. And if it's coming in front of the font, there's no use. Okay. So this is incorrect. Okay. Never do this. Never, yeah, you should actually maintain a balance in your slide. Then let us move forward to the tip 4. Animations and transitions should be simple. They should not take so much time to appear. Name of some of the simple animations are appear, fade, zoom, split, fly in, float in, etc. Okay, so your animations and transitions that you're using, they actually should be simple, and they should actually now, if my this text is coming, if it had taken too much time, so you would have got bored, right? So be careful about this, that you should use that type of animations which should not take so much time to appear. And also, the animations such as spin wheel and bounce, they take a lot of time in appearing, so try to use them less only. Okay, these are, when you actually go to the animations tab, these are the common animations you get. Okay, and use them more. Okay, then let us move to tip 5. Knowing how to put animations in a slide properly is really important. You need to know which object should come first and which last. Thus, be careful while putting animations in your slide. Okay, so if you actually, if I would have, if this text was coming first and tip 5 was coming after, so you wouldn't have liked it. Okay, so this should, you should be careful while putting animations in your slide. Okay, these animations, they are really tricky. Remember this. Okay, so these were the tips. Now let's summarize them once. The font should not be stylish. Okay, use such a kind of font, it should not be so stylish, and use such a kind of font that can be easily read. And be careful about the font size too. The background color and font color should always be contrasting. If you have images in your slide, remember to put them in such a way that the font does not get hidden. Okay, then animations and transitions should be simple. Okay, you need to actually keep them simple. Then knowing how to put animations in a slide properly is really important. Okay, so just have a look at the summary and some of the points that you need to actually be careful while making your slide, while creating it. Okay, so this was a summary of the same thing, and these were some tips and tricks which you should keep in your mind, so you can make your slide really good and presentable and effective. Okay, remember that your slide should be always good, presentable and effective. Okay, and it also should be simple, right? So uh, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on Instagram, that is class 8 to 10 tutorials. Okay, so thank you.